Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, we're up a little bit. New crop beans maybe a nickel, corn a penny, wheat is anywhere from 6 to 7 cents higher. The nearby August contracts were off, at least the meal limit down overnight. They are trading a little bit lower, but at least they're trading, and this is options expiration day for the August contracts. It's hard for the market to bounce after such a steep drop in futures and cash basis levels. Some have said that they have never seen this type of break in cash basis for old crop corn and beans in the last week ever in history. It seemed like when it started raining across the Midwest, U.S. farmers gave up some old crop corn and beans, and that was enough to break the basis, and which broke the inverse in the futures market. It's still a weather market. Overnight it rained in eastern Iowa. It's raining across northern Illinois this morning. The maps are kind of different about next week. None of them show heat. One shows a big rain event for the Midwest late next week. The other one doesn't show quite as an aggressive weather scenario. And maybe why that's important is the drought monitor index got a little worse in Iowa, Minnesota, parts of Kansas, Missouri, and Arkansas. So some of the crop will need a good shower next week to get it to the yields that we are trading right now. There is a lot of debate on what the corn yield is going to be. The government's currently at 156. Some are a little bit below, some are a little bit above, and that could be a big difference on the harvest lows in these corn. And others are a little bit worried about demand, especially in the corn, with competition from Black Sea and South America, and if we'll actually export as much corn as what the USDA is saying. So sifting through all that, looking at some of the weekly charts, they're still negative. They still point lower, but we still have one big rain event that we need to see hit the Midwest before we take another leg lower. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.